All right, guys.
Welcome to cut.
All right, guys, welcome back to the Mountain Outdoors. I'm here with Chestnut Ridge Outfitters. That's Tom. He will be featured on the channel. We're gonna do a little trout fishing. It's the opening day of trout season. Waters are very high because we experienced flood-like conditions for the past week, but we're gonna hopefully catch a couple at least. So follow along and stay tuned. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna cast up into this tailwater. They should be sitting all right here and then probably right down below that too. So, all right, guys, here's the setup. Got a, hopefully you guys can see this without too much trouble, but you guys got a loop. I like to call it a Rapala knot because that's where I learned it. Then you got a double hook, you put a needle through the mini, and then I got a couple sinkers on, and then I got a barrel swivel at the top. So let's see if I can catch anything here. Gonna get my bait on the hook if I can hit the stupid hole, and then we're gonna see how we do. Guys, this is my mini bucket. It is an old Hidden Valley Ranch jar. And if I sound funny, it's because I'm holding a hook in my mouth without trying to hook myself. So. Alright, there you have it. I usually like using bigger hooks, but the line is completely hidden and the hook is towards the back of the body, which makes it a lot easier for me to set the hook on a trout that may be a little finicky. So let's get out there and start fishing. On this rock here. Ooh, pulled up a leaf on that one. Still hooked to the leaf. First catch of the day. An old Mount Laurel leaf. Bet you any money there's a guy sitting right off of this log. If there's any sitting there. No, maybe not. I'm fishing right at his feet. That ain't good. All right, I'm gonna move up a little bit. Might throw it upstream a little bit, see if I can get a little drift going. I'm not thinking there's too many sitting here. I think it's going to be a little bit of a struggle today. Looks like somebody snapped that off earlier. Guys, I think I'm going to make a move. I think I'm a little too crowded here, and I think this spot got hit pretty hard. So I'm going to jump down here and switch around. All right, guys, we're down here at the little spot that I saw. Give it a try here. A little bit of an overcast, but it's all right. Just letting it drift down through all those rocks. And I'm pulling it back up because this is swift moving water and the bait ain't staying down too far. So I'm trying to keep it moving without reeling, you know. A little short, but that's okay. Might hit that slack water in the middle. It feels like a fish. That is the smallest trout I've ever caught in my life, but it is a trout nonetheless. That isn't even, I don't know if that's even legal. I don't even know if it's legal. But it is a trout nonetheless. It is just a little rainbow. Probably the smallest rainbow I've ever seen in my life. But I'm gonna get him unhooked here, wet my hand a little bit. Usually I keep him, but I don't think he's legal. He almost looks like a wild rainbow, even though I know he's not. But this beautiful, beautiful rainbow trout here. What a beaut. Just a nice little, but he's not, I don't even think he's legal. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw him back. All right, guys, let's see if that little guy has a big friend sitting next to him. I couldn't tell if that little one was a trout or a little rock I might have been stuck on, and I was so confused. But I picked it up and it ended up being a fish. But man, that thing is small. Almost like a big native, really. Scoot up here a little bit, guys, get a little bit closer of an angle. Not falling, hopefully. It's the name of the game. Enjoy your day and don't fall. Good cast. That's right where I wanted it. There's a hit. Well, back to you guys soon once I get this snag out. All right, guys, got that snag out without too much pain, but see if there's anything else sitting over here. As you can see, I am very, very far or closer to it, and I'm about waist deep in water, so I got to be very careful. I think slack water towards the backside is where I want to be. Close enough. Right about there is where he hit. But I'm thinking there ain't much in there. Alright, guys, here we are getting down to the next spot. If I don't take my own head off here. Some deer tracks down here too. Well, here's the hoping this spot is a little more fishy. Looks like it should be, especially with that white water up there. Actually, that's where I'm going to go. I'm going to let him fish this stretch right here since he's using lures. It's a little bit slower water, a little bit easier for him to control. Again, I might need more weight because it is swift water. All right, guys, so that today was pretty lackluster, and I didn't really film too much more the next couple spots we went to. All the places were pretty packed, and water was very deep and moving swiftly, so it was pretty hard to even get your line to stay down in the water. But first day of trout season, so I actually caught one, which is cool, even if it wasn't legal. I might head out tomorrow to another place, and if so, I'll see you guys then. Day 2. First day was kind of terrible.
It was miserable.
We caught one, and I don't even think it was legal, so I threw it back, and as you guys saw. So we're at a different stream today. It's the second day of the season. Beautiful Sunday morning, supposed to get about 60 degrees and be really sunny, so follow along. Let's see if we catch something. All right, guys, we're at the stream. Like I said, still kind of flood conditions, but this is looking very promising. I'll give you guys a view down the stream, looking at Tom. Beautiful, beautiful stream, beautiful, beautiful day to be alive and out on the water. So let's see if we can catch more than one today. Moving fast, but it's keeping the water or the line in. So scoot up a little bit here. Way I'm not hooking Tom's legs. Whew, this water is moving fast. That was the water. And today I think is going to be another more drifting than anything day. So you got to get them really down there. But I'm going to work the riffles. I'm going to work the line back up through. Just got to adjust it here a little bit. Guys, if the water was a little lower, you could see, but there are a bunch of very large boulders sitting out right in that slack water that trout love to sit behind in here. But yeah, I might need more weight. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. How's a Morgan serve? I just had a fly go down my shirt. All right, guys, I'm just fishing next to this tree that got uprooted in the water. The water being a little higher, there's a pretty good pocket behind it. So. Well, guys, forgot to press the record button, but got the first one of the day. It's been a little while, but got it. Just a beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Gonna get him on the stringer and get back to fishing. sucked into that fast current. Just wanting to pull the line up. I think I'm going to switch sides of this stump here because it just, there's something in there. It just do not want anything to do with me. Well, haven't been recording because today was rough, but got another rainbow here. The one snapped off of my stringer, so I'm still at 1. So stay tuned.
Live at the scene. 45 incher.
Yeah, it's maybe about 15.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a pretty good one.
Boy.
Yeah, can't go wrong with a nice looking rainbow. Can't go wrong with a nice, fat, healthy rainbow right there. Let's go. All right, guys. So that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was pretty tough sledding out there with all this flood water, but we caught a couple today, as you saw. Probably get after it a little bit this week, but I just put in a couple quick cuts today because I was slipping and sliding, and I figured if I was going for a swim that I didn't want that on camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe to the Mountain Outdoors, Chestnut Ridge Outfitters. Stay tuned for the next videos.